So, worksheet 51, looking at number 8, we're going to dilate 2.5. Now, this is a great one for us to go over. Thank you for suggesting this, because you look at that and go, ew, decimals. But when we multiply my coordinates by 2.5, we're actually going to get a whole number. Let's see how. If we've got Q, R, and S, where's point Q at? -2, -2. Where's point R at? -2, +2. And where's point S at? 2, -2. So all of our coordinates are 2's. 4 of them are negative, 2 of them are positive. But if we're multiplying 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2 by 2.5, we're going to get the same number for all of my prime coordinates. All right? Now, 2.5 times 2. Let's take a look. Let's throw it back to elementary school if you guys remember multiplying like this. Does that look familiar? Yeah? So, we do 2 times 5, which would give me 10. I'm going to put the 1 up here, the 0 down there. Right? Is it coming back to us now? Then I do 2 times 2 plus my 1 on top. 2 times 2 is 4, plus that 1 gives me 5. So is my answer 50? No, we got to add this 1 decimal place back in. Boom. 5.0 is just the same thing as 5. So when we multiply -2 times 2.5, we get -5, comma, -5. R prime is going to be -5, comma, +5. And S prime is +5, comma, -5. So 5's across the board. What's that? You don't have this paper? Here you go. So Q prime -5, -5 down there in the bottom left. R prime -5, +5 up there in the top left. And S prime +5, -5 down there in the bottom right. Connect all those dots. We've got a nice large triangle here that looks just like that. Now remember what we talked about yesterday. On our warm-up, we saw the bigger triangle completely surrounding the smaller triangle, but we're not always going to see that. If my pre-image has a line that intersects the origin, my image will also have a line, or I guess I should say a side of my triangle that intersects the origin. Right? And that's what we get for number 8. All right. Now, number 10, we're dilating by a scale factor of 4. So we're going to multiply all my coordinates by 4. If I've got J, K, and L, J is at -1, 0. K is at -1, 1. L is at 1, 0. I multiply all that by 4. Who could help me out? What's my J prime going to be? -4, 0. Perfect. It's going to be right there. J prime. What's my K prime? -4, 4. And what about L prime? 0, 4 is super close. It's going to be 4, comma, 0 actually. 4, 0. We're right there on the x-axis. L prime. K prime up there. Boom. 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 Again, my pre-image. What's that? You got the L swapped around and still got the same shape? Good. May have happened accidentally, but that's all right, as long as you got it right. I will say, though, on the test, not only do all of your coordinates have to be perfect, but your triangle has to look perfect as well. So it's a two-part kind of thing. Got to make sure you got them both, right? So if you get one right and one wrong, it's, half the points, but still some points. So again, my pre-image intersects the origin. My image is also intersecting the origin, just like that. All right? How are we feeling about dilations? Quick show of thumbs. Thumbs up, we're feeling good, seems okay. Thumbs sideways, we're feeling iffy, seems all right. Okay. We're going to get some more practice with it today, along with practice on